Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve runtime with the error code 3048 and reads cannot open any more database with the runtime error code 3048. So this issue that Windows users encounter particularly when running database-related applications or program like Microsoft Access. This error caused by overload of open database objects, which could include tables, queries, forms, or modules. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings and i-click mo lang dito yung open, and dito lang sa left side menu, and then i-select mo lang dito yung app, so click mo lang yan, at dito sa right side makikita mo dito yung installed apps, so i-click lang natin yan. And dito lang sa installed apps at dito sa search app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables. So makikita mo dito na mayroon tayong 9 apps na found dito na Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. So ang gagawin natin dito, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung pwede nating i-modify. Alright? So, dito lang sa baba, so i-click mo lang dito yung tatlong dots. So, click mo lang yan. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung modify. So, click mo lang yan. And then, pop up itong user account control. So, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And then, i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And pop up itong kanyang modify setup. So, ang next step, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung repair. Alright, so click mo lang yan. And wait natin na ma-complete yung setup process and processings and initializings. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na setup successful, and then next step, so close mo lang ito. And next ay kailangan mo ulit dito i-select kung ano yung pwede natin i-modify. So yung pangalawa, click mo lang dito sa right side yung tatlong dot. And then select mo lang dito yung modify. And then if you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And next step, so modify setup, i-click mo lang dito yung repair. So click mo lang yan. And wait natin ulit na ma-complete yung processing. Okay, so setup successful. And then next step, so close lang natin ito, and then yung the last one, click mo lang dito sa right side yung tatlong dot. And then click mo ulit dito yung modify. And then if you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. So dito sa modify setup, so ulit i-click mo dito yung, or i-select mo dito yung repair. So click mo lang yan. And wait natin na ma-complete yung processings and initializings niya. Right, so setup successful. And the next step, so close lang natin yan. And then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang tong restart. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix runtime with the error code 3048 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.